This time I ordered some clothing. Let's do the unboxing and let's check the quality of the product. Is it any good or is it worth it to buy through Temu? Okay, let's do the unboxing. I already opened this one earlier. Okay, so maybe let's so maybe let's start off with this one here. As you notice, the packaging is again very poor. As you notice, only that. So in my opinion, ordering clothing with Temu I think is better than ordering some electronics or something breakable, because the packaging is not good. It's only plastic. There's not even a foam or anything inside. Okay, anyway, let's now start with the unboxing. Okay, so first let's check what's this one. Okay, so first, this is like a pants for a male pants. In my opinion, the quality is not good. Anyway, I only bought this one for, I believe this one is, so this one is $12. Okay, so far the waist is good, but this one here, I think this one is not a good material. This one here, and the type of garment, it's like silky, so it's very thin for summer. Okay, and now let's check the next one. Okay, so again, this is a male pants, so same, it's super thin, and then the waist is here, I think is a good. And let's see over here, because this one is pocket over here, and there's pocket also over there, and at the back there's no pocket. Okay, let's see. Okay, so same. This one here, I don't think this is a good garment, type of garment, but anyway, that's what it is. So the end looks like that. And then here with the pocket, and with this one here, so it's just a style, so it goes like that, and then with pocket over there. So again, this is another male pants for summer, because that is super thin. Okay, next let's open the next one. Okay, so I think this one is the same as this, but in different color. So by the way, this one is $11.59 Canadian dollars. So again, the waist is, I kind of like the way they made it, the way they okay, so the waist is good, and same style over there and over here. Okay, and now let's open the next one. So first, this one. So this one is a male cargo pants, which looks like that. And then there's pocket, and then there is this one here. So the end has a tie here. Okay, it looks like this one here is not good. So if you can see, they should have maybe folded it and sewed it from there. So anyway, like this is $11.59 for this one, and the garment for this one is way better than this one here. Okay. Again, this is $11.59 Canadian dollars. I believe that this one is the same as that, but in different color. So again, this is for male cargo for summer pants. So the waist is like that, stretchable, and then there's pocket here, and then same thing, you can tie over here. It looks like that. Okay, so next I ordered some blouse, so we'll see. Okay, so this one went on sale for $4.57, so $4.57 Canadian dollars. So it looks like that. Okay, so the size, this is supposed to be, this is the medium size, and I think this is the right size for medium. So the time I ordered this, as I mentioned, I ordered this for $4.57 Canadian, and now by the time I'm making this video, it's now up to $11.98 Canadian dollars. Okay, and the garment, or it's made of, looks like silky again, but a little bit thicker. I don't know what it is. Okay, and next, let's, this one is for sure silk. Okay, there you go. So this is another blouse. Okay, there you go. And it has this one, and then you can just wrap it over there. This one is $12.99 Canadian. Okay, and okay, so far I think this one is well made, in my opinion. There you go. I think it's worth it for this one. Okay, there you go. And next, I ordered some of these too. So this one is, okay, let's check this one. Okay, so this one, okay, so this one looks like that. You put it under your shirt, and the back looks like that. And this one is $5.28 Canadian. Okay, and I got another one of that, another color with a different style, and it looks like this. There you go. This one is $6.38 Canadian, and then the back looks like that. I like the garment, or it's made of on the. I like the garment of this one. Okay, there you go. Okay, and now let's open some more. So this one is a girl dress for my daughter. So there you go. It looks like that. And that. Okay, so this is this here, and then this is that. And you put this around it. So something like that. Okay, this dress is $13.19 Canadian dollars. There you go. Okay, and here's one more dress for my daughter. Oh, this one is cotton. I like this one. Okay, there you go. So it looks like that. And I like the way they made it. All the edges are good. Well made, I would say. And this dress is $13.87 Canadian dollars. And with this good style over here, let's see at the back. Yeah, I think this one is good. There you go. And last but not the least, so this is a sun visor. Okay, it has this tie over there, and there you go. So you put it like that, and here it is, and there's a little bling bling over here. And this is So I got this one for $377. There you go.